welcome back to my channel. So it's your girl Laksmy and I am back with another video, and this video was very long awaited. None other than my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Vault collection tutorial or review or first impression, whatever you want to call it. It is that video. So as you guys know, Jaclyn Hill and Morphe recently re-collabed because they already did a collaboration before a year ago when they first released Jaclyn Hill's very first Jaclyn Hill palette. And these, I guess, were the shades, as she says, the shades that didn't make it to that first palette. These were the ones that were kept in the vault. And there are 4 palettes here, and I got all 4 of them for the collection. And I am super freaking excited because I wanted this collection from the moment I heard she was releasing a new collaboration with Morphe. And I'm telling you guys, the money was well spent, well invested, because these are amazing. So the look that I'm wearing today, I did with my very favorite palette, which is the Armed and Gorgeous. And I will show you guys a tutorial of this makeup look later on in the video. But right now, I'm gonna very quickly swatch all the palettes for you guys because I don't want this video to be super long. And trust me, the makeup part is already long, so let me just get this out of the way. The very first palette is going to be the Armed and Gorgeous, which is my favorite one and is the one that I use for this makeup look. These are the colors. Please, I'm gonna give you guys a heads up. Ignore my nails. I haven't done my nails in like 3 weeks and they are horrid. I am getting them done tomorrow, so please don't come at me with, you know, knives and guns and all that stuff. And secondly, I am currently going through the worst hormonal acne breakout that I have ever gone through in my whole existence. Like when I was pregnant, I used to go through really bad hormonal acne, but Mita right now is like, I don't even know where this is coming from. But anyway, it's getting a lot better. I just wanted to throw that out there because it was bothering me and I just wanted to let you guys know I'm currently going through stuff. But anyway, back to the purpose of the video. So this is the very first palette and this is the Armed and Gorgeous, and I'm gonna swatch the colors. I'm gonna start off from here to there. I don't know, whatever. You guys know that I'm new at this shit. I'm not really good at swatching, so I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch them for you. Okay, so those were the shades for the Armed and Gorgeous palette, which is my favorite palette and is the one that I use for this makeup look. The second one is going to be Dark Magic, and it is this, this is my second favorite. Look at these colors, you guys. Like, look at these shades. Like, talk to me, darling. Gorgeous. Jaclyn Hill, you are fucking amazing. These colors are to die for. And I'm gonna swatch these and show you guys. Okay, so I'm so sorry, you guys. I'm trying to swatch these as best as I can. It's just I have tattoos and it's just uncomfortable. But anyway, from top to bottom, the first shade is called Poof, Power Cut, Shh, Trickery, Diversion, Potion, Busted, Inside Job, Mojo, and Temptress. I know of someone who would really like this shade just because of the name. Okay, you guys, so these were the shades for Dark Magic, which is my second favorite palette. And it's, listen, if you have not gone out and bought this freaking collection, I don't know what the hell you're waiting for. You better Uber for like a couple of hours so you can make the money to get this shit because this is epic, okay? Anyway, third palette in the collection is going to be the Bling Bog. Now, the Bling Bog is, I don't know if I should call it my third favorite. It's maybe my least favorite because I'm not really into like pinks and purples like that, but I still bought this because I still wanted to play with the collection. I still wanted to play with the colors. So this is the color range. Excuse my dirty fingers and my broken nails, guys. but they're all so freaking beautiful. And I love the names that she picked for these. And you know what I like too? I like the fact that in this collection, she actually took the time to put the names right in front where the colors are at, because in the original Jaclyn Hill palette, she had the names in the back, and it was like really uncomfortable because if you wanted to do a tutorial, you had to be flipping to see what was the name of the actual shade that you were using. But now they're right there, and there's a mirror. Okay, anyway, let me swatch these for you guys. Okay, guys, so this is the range of shades for the Bling Boss palette, and from start to finish, this is gonna be Bling, Hush Hush, Gem, Pizzazz, Mystic, Sparks, Glitz and Glam, Rockstar, Ballsy, and Berry Treasure. Alright you guys, so these were the shades for the Bling Boss palette. You know what? After swatching them, I think I like it a little bit more than I did before. I'm not gonna lie. I will say there are some powder shades here that have really bad kickback, but it's not really a big deal. Still, even though there's kickback, the formula feels so creamy. I don't understand. I don't know how powder can feel creamy, but you know, Jaclyn made it happen, so it is what it is. Fourth and final palette from the collection is called Ring the Alarm. This one is a lot of people's favorites. I really like this one. If anything, this is my third favorite one, and then the Bling Boss is my fourth, but this one, I really like it because it has these awesome fall colors. Guys, like I said, ignore my nails. It's chaotic. Look at these shades, you guys. Oh my god. So I'm gonna swatch these for you guys. Let me just clean this mess. This is what I do for you guys. This is the nonsense that I put myself through to film a video for you guys because I love you. Alright, ignore me guys. It's what? It's midnight and I'm tired and I have a full face of makeup and I miss my boyfriend and you know, I'm starting to get hungry. So yeah, ignore me. I'm crazy today. So this is the list of shades from the Ring the Alarm palette, and starting here, it's Lolly, Rush, On Camera, Boom, Alert, Bomb Ass, Siren, Mugshot, Framed, and Secret. Alright guys, so these swatches were for the Ring the Alarm palette, which is the fourth and last one out of the Vault collection. This is what they look like again. So in conclusion, I really love the shades. I love every single shade. I'm not gonna lie, swatching them was so easy. A lot of them you have to like, you know, go over a couple of times just because, you know, it's powder and powder flies away or whatever the case, but they're completely buildable. They're amazing. As of right now, the ones that I use on my eyelids, I didn't have a problem sort of blending together. I've heard people saying mixed reviews about how they were so hard to blend and all that stuff. For me, it wasn't hard at all, but you know, it is what it is. Some people claim they got bad batches of the Vault collection. Some people got good ones. As of right now, I feel like I got a good one, so I don't know. Anyway, if you guys would like to see how I do this makeup look using the Armed and Gorgeous palette from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe collaboration collection, then stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a close-up. I already did one eye off of camera because I wanted to, you know, make sure what look I wanted to give. Now, I've had this collection for a while now, and this is the very first time I touch it. I've been procrastinating so much on doing this freaking look, and it's because I've been dealing with a lot of shit. On top of everything, my skin is horrible right now. I'm going through a horrible hormonal breakout, and you know, I was waiting for it to sort of subside a little bit, but it's a little bit better now. So I thought, you know what, before it gets a lot later, let me just get it out of the way. Let me do this because we're almost reaching 100 subscribers. And I promised you guys I would do a Jaclyn Hill slash Vault, Jaclyn Hill slash Morphe Vault collection giveaway. That is a mouthful. But like I said before, I said I was gonna do a giveaway once we reach 100 subscribers, and I said I was gonna do a giveaway with every 100 subscribers until we reach 1,000, and then from there on I'll switch it up and I did one eye off of camera, and I'm gonna do the other eye so you guys can see what I did. I actually used my favorite palette out of the whole collection, which is the Armed & Gorgeous. Well, I already showed you guys the colors in the previous clip, but this is the palette right here. It has these beautiful yellow and orange shades that I love. Guys, please ignore my nails. Listen, I'm a wreck, and you know, it is what it is. But anyway, let's just jump into this tutorial. So I might do a voice over this video because I don't want to talk and do my makeup at the same time, but I'm gonna zoom you guys up to my eye so you guys can see what I do, and I'm gonna be pointing at the shades that I'm gonna be using from the palette. Now, every single thing I used was from this particular palette. I didn't use any other palette in combination with this because I wanted to keep it exclusively Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. So let's jump right in. Okay, you guys, so basically this is the completed eye look. Give you a little bit of a close-up. Like I said, please ignore my breakout. My face is like doing its own thing right now, but loving this eye look. Oh my god, I love this collection so much. All right, so let me get off the camera and finish my face. I'm gonna put on some blush and some lipstick, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, you guys, so I am done completing my face. I cannot explain to you guys how much I love this freaking collection, and this palette is absolutely my favorite. To me, it was awesome to blend, it was awesome to use, it was very, very easy. I tried to keep it simple, but you know, with a palette like that, you gotta experiment and try it. Anyway, please let me know what you guys think about this look. If you liked it, please hit thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, what are you waiting for? Join the family. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe so you can enter my Vault Collection giveaway. This one here is mine, but I actually have this one back here that I am going to be giving away. And the giveaway will begin once we reach 100 subscribers. And thank you guys so much for your love and support. Don't forget to hit thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.